Good day to everyone. Today I will discuss ethical philosophy and epistemology in the context of artificial intelligence or AI. AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek have become part of our daily lives, especially in education. As students, we use AI for learning, research, and assignments. However, AI also raises important questions about ethics, honesty, and how we obtain knowledge. In this presentation, I will share my experience before and after AI became widely available and relate it to my personal life philosophy. Artificial intelligence has transformed the way people learn, communicate, and access information. Today, students can ask AI systems complex questions and receive answers within seconds. This technology offers many benefits, including efficiency and accessibility. However, it also creates challenges such as the risk of misinformation, over dependence, and academic dishonesty. Therefore, understanding AI through ethical philosophy and epistemology is important because it helps us use technology responsibly while maintaining critical thinking skills. Before AI tools became popular, I relied mainly on textbooks, lecturer notes, academic journals, and search engines such as Google. Research often took a long time because I needed to read multiple sources to find the information I needed. Sometimes it was difficult to understand complex topics without additional guidance. After the introduction of AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek, learning became more efficient. AI can explain difficult concepts in a simpler way, summarize information, and help generate ideas. It saves time and supports learning. However, I also learned that AI is not always accurate, so I still need to verify information from reliable sources before using it. In the past, obtaining information required more effort. I had to search through books, websites, journals, and lecturer materials. Finding reliable information involved comparing several sources and evaluating their credibility. Today, AI can provide instant responses and personalized explanations. Instead of spending hours searching, I can quickly receive a summary of explanation. While this convenience is helpful, it also means I must be more careful. Not everything generated by AI is correct. So critical thinking and fact checking remain essential skills in the modern learning environment. When I first used AI to assist with assignments, I was impressed by how quickly it could generate explanations and ideas. It felt like having a personal tutor available at any time. AI helped me understand difficult concepts and provide a starting point when I was unsure how to begin a task. At the same time, I realized that AI should be used as a learning aid rather than a complete solution. I still needed to analyze the information, make my own decisions, and ensure that the final work reflected my understandings of the subject. Yes, there were moments when I questioned whether relying too much on AI might be considered dishonest. If a student simply copies AI generated content without understanding it, that could undermine the purpose of education and academic integrity. However, I believe the ethical issue depends on how AI is used. If AI is used to learn, brainstorm ideas, improve writing, or clarify concepts while student remains actively involved, then it can be a responsible tool. The key is honest transparency, and ensuring that the work submitted represents genuine learning and understanding. Topic can be viewed from two philosophical perspectives, ethics and epistemology. From an ethical perspective, AI should be used responsibly, fairly, and honestly. Students should avoid plagiarism and should not use AI as a shortcut to avoid learning. Ethical use means respecting academic integrity and taking responsibility for one's work. From an epistemological perspective, AI raises questions about knowledge. Epistemology students how we know what we know and how knowledge is justified. AI can provide information, but it does not guarantee truth. Therefore, humans must evaluate the reliability, accuracy, and credibility of AI generated content. In other words, AI can assist in acquiring knowledge, but critical thinking remains a human's responsibility. My personal life philosophy is to embrace technology while maintaining honesty, responsibility, and continuous learning. I believe technology should empower people rather than replace human judgment and effort. AI is a valuable tool that can improve education and productivity, but it should be used wisely and ethically. By combining technological advancement with critical thinking and strong moral values, we can benefit from AI while preserving academic integrity and personal growth. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.